Good morning everyone, so I'm proudly bringing you another Ingersoll watch. So Ingersoll is, according to what I read online, the oldest American watch company, and they sort of show that with how their designs are going. So let's have a little look at the watch before we move on to the box. So a simple white outside packaging cover, revealing a slimline style leather style case. Very, very slim, with a nice unique system of a sort of a buckle down style finish, and that Ingersoll print in the top there with the 1892 foundation date on there. Very, very soft, very, very sort of smooth as well to operate. Very, very simplistic interior design. Just a simple watch held inside two elastic bands. And then the actual, how you use the manual is a QR code. So you've got this little print here for your instructions and your warranty. Just printed in the box there. Quite like that actually. I think that comes out. No, it is stuck down. My mistake. So here we go guys, this is the Ingersoll 1892 Nashville 44mm with a 15mm case thickness, but even though I think it does look a bit more. This retails at around about £155, so it's not too bad for the price. Weighs probably around 200 to 250 grams and uses a full automatic movement. I believe it's going to be used in N34 or something like that, but that's just a guess. So let's have a look at the face. So the face is sort of a matte style black finish style with a orangey old style loom to the luminous hands and luminous increments. You've obviously got the calendar at the top there, power reserve down the middle, down the side here. Shows you sort of, they don't often see that nowadays. You usually see, I've got a power reserve on this one, but this one's not a older style watch. It's a newer finish with a full view of that movement in the back there. So it's on like a rounded square face. The watch comes with a 5 atmospheric water resistance and a 316 stainless steel casing. As you can see from here, got a nice sort of curved finish to it as well. So let's have a look at the crown. You can hear that movement winding up in the back there. Single position. Got a nice strong resistance to the crowns. It needs a bit of force to push it round the crown. And a nice gliding finish to it. Okay, so the strap. You've got Halloween leather strap on here with a full lined finish and stitching going down the side. If ever was a chain strap, I doubt you'd be able to because it's hooked in place. But it's a 23mm strap. I doubt you'd be able to change it because of how it's looped in place. It's a nice thick leather strap with not a lot of sort of folding give to it. It does obviously near the end where it gets thinner, but it's quite sort of strong. So imagine if that was sitting on your wrist, it would be quite chunky up there. You've got a nice single window system here. I don't think this single window system is going to sort of fray much, so I don't know if it will stretch much over time. It might do, just because of how thick this leather is. Obviously full genuine leather stitching down the side there and Ingersoll print. Got a full view of that stainless steel movement on the back there. It's probably going to be a 21, oh there we go, it says here 38 dual automatic there. I don't know why I said 21, I don't know where I got that from. It's probably because the other one's a 21. Got model number just at the top there, so 113002. Full stainless steel back plate, and it's 316 as it says on the back there. So there we go, that is the Ingersoll 1892 Nashville.